Hello everyone! Are you curious about whether people can sleep through loud noises? Let's find out! While individuals vary in their sensitivity to noise during sleep, it is indeed possible for people to sleep through loud noises under certain circumstances. The ability to sleep through loud noises depends on several factors, including individual sleep patterns, noise characteristics, and environmental factors. One factor that influences whether someone can sleep through loud noises is their stage of sleep. During deeper stages of sleep, such as slow-wave sleep or REM sleep, individuals are less responsive to external stimuli, including loud noises. Consequently, individuals may be more likely to sleep through loud noises during these deeper stages of sleep compared to lighter stages of sleep or wakefulness. Another factor that affects the ability to sleep through loud noises is habituation or adaptation to noise over time. Individuals who are accustomed to sleeping in noisy environments, such as those living in urban areas or near busy streets, may develop a greater tolerance to loud noises during sleep. Habituation to noise can occur through repeated exposure and conditioning, allowing individuals to sleep more soundly despite disruptive sounds in the environment. Additionally, individual differences in sensitivity to noise can influence whether someone can sleep through loud noises. Some individuals are naturally more sensitive to noise and may awaken more easily in response to loud sounds during sleep, while others may be less affected by noise and can sleep through loud disturbances without waking. Environmental factors such as the duration, frequency, and intensity of the noise can also impact sleep quality and responsiveness to loud noises. Sudden, brief noises may be less likely to awaken someone from sleep compared to prolonged or continuous noise exposure. Similarly, the predictability and familiarity of the noise source can influence how disruptive it is to sleep. While some individuals may be able to sleep through loud noises, persistent or excessive noise exposure during sleep can have negative consequences for sleep quality and overall health. Chronic exposure to loud noises during sleep has been associated with sleep disturbances, increased stress levels, and adverse health outcomes. In summary, while some individuals may be able to sleep through loud noises under certain circumstances, sensitivity to noise during sleep varies widely among individuals and depends on factors such as sleep stage, habituation to noise, individual differences in sensitivity, and environmental factors. Understanding these factors can help individuals optimize their sleep environment and promote better sleep quality and overall well-being. Thank you for watching. Please follow for more related videos and see you later. Goodbye.